Hi, I wanted to try a recipe called the Clover. I found this one on YouTube in French out of Paris. And the reason why I wanted to use that one is because it's made with Don Papa Rum. Don Papa Rum is made out of the Philippines. I wanted to try it. This was gifted to me recently, very kind. I'm also going to use, yes, not a full egg, but just a little bit of the egg white. I have maybe 2 to 3 strawberries cut up. I'm gonna muddle it, so just basically crush them down together. Half a lemon, just a splash of Creme De Cacao, and some vanilla extract, okay? So watch along and enjoy and let me know if you like it. All right, so I'm gonna start by putting in 2 to 3 cut up strawberries. I'm gonna go ahead and muddle them as well. Muddling is basically just kind of crushing it, right? Now I cut up a half of a lemon. I'm gonna squeeze that in with my strawberries. Okay, as you can tell, I have an egg. I'm actually gonna be cracking it. I'm not gonna be using the yolk. I'm just using the egg white, okay? Okay, I went ahead and poured a ½ ounce of pure vanilla extract. And now this is my completed base. So I'm gonna give it a dry shake. Okay, here's your final product. It's called the Clover. It definitely smells like, man, like a kitchen. Smells like delicious strawberry and vanilla and cocoa powder and rum. It smells like a party. Okay, I'm liking this. Let me try it. Okay, it has like a bit of a punch texture to it, especially with the bubbles on top from the egg white. I like that foam. Yeah, I like it a lot. Try it out. Let me know if you like it too. Cheers.